As part of his ongoing Illuminati tour, singer Diljit Dosanjh delivered an electrifying performance at London's prestigious O2 Arena. Following his successful collaboration with Ed Sheeran in Birmingham, Diljit joined forces with rapper Badshah. Notable attendee Pakistani actress Hania Amir also enjoyed the show. Hania Amir made a surprise appearance at Diljit Dosanjh's concert in London. A viral video shared by Hania's friend shows Diljit warmly inviting her on stage to perform his hit song Lover. Diljit addressed Hania as a superstar, as his team escorted her to the stage. After their joint performance, Hania expressed gratitude to Diljit for entertaining the audience. Diljit reciprocated by thanking Hania for attending his concert. As Diljit gave her the mic, she said, "Thank you very much. Hi London, shukriya bahut bahut aapka. Thank you very much for having all of us, for entertaining us. Thank you." As Hania left the stage, Diljit told her in Punjabi, "I'm a fan of yours and your work. You are doing amazing work. Thank you. Thanks for coming. You came. Thanks a lot for that. Thank you. Appreciate it." Rapper-singer Badshah also joined Diljit for a special performance, and their energetic collaboration left the audience thrilled. Post-concert, Diljit shared photos from the event, including Hania in the audience, his performance with Badshah, and a heartfelt hug between the two singers. Badshah made a surprise appearance. Several pictures and videos of the reunion have been doing the rounds on social media. In one clip, the duo performs their hit track Naina from the movie Crew. The surprise appearance sparks excitement on social media, with fans commenting on Hania and Badshah's presence at Diljit's concert. One fan noted, "It's interesting to see Badshah and Hania together again." Diljit expressed his excitement about bringing a tour to India and said, "Bringing the Illuminati tour to India is a dream come true. After an incredible journey abroad, performing in my homeland feels like coming full circle. The love and energy I have felt from fans worldwide have been extraordinary. But there's something uniquely special about performing here, where it all began. India, get ready because Punjabi ghar aa gaye ho. We are going to make history together. I promise you a night you will never forget." After wrapping up his international tour, Diljit Dosanjh will kick off the Indian leg of his tour this October, starting at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi on October 26. Following Delhi, the tour will head to Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Pune, Kolkata, Bangalore, Indore, Chandigarh, and Guwahati. On the acting front, Diljit recently announced his role in Border 2 alongside Sunny Deol, Ahan Shetty, and Varun Dhawan. The sequel will be set against the backdrop of the Battle of Longewala, with filming expected to begin in November. That's all for today. Thank you.